ShqipeBoys. We got me and Database in here. Right now, we're about to install some mod on Daniel's car, on the Q50. And we kind of started a little bit, but we didn't have the proper tools. We couldn't reach the bolt that we need to reach. So we're gonna attempt it again, and we're gonna take you guys through the whole process and show you guys how to do it and stuff. All right, so right now we're going to the TL to pick up my toolbox so that Daniel can get his car done. And we're gonna show you guys the whole process and post it. All right guys, so we didn't do much so far, but we did take off this top cover right here. It's just a bunch of, this tool is what we needed.
Big bless.
This ratchet is definitely gonna help.
This is gonna make your life.
Yeah, if you guys
50,000 times.
If you guys don't want to take off the front bumper, which I don't recommend you guys do for such a little thing like this, you definitely should get a tool like this or something with a 90-degree angle that you can get in there. And so for now, what you guys want to do is take off this top piece of the bumper right here. So this part right here and this part. So you guys don't have to take the bolts off. You just need to pull this part up like this.
You need to unscrew it.
So this piece, there's a piece back there which is not there right now, but you guys will see it on your car. Just take that off, and then you can pull the bumper up a little bit, and then that'll give you just enough space to get in back there. Well, I don't think we showed them the steering wheel yet. Wow. It also comes with the LED shift lights. Up.
RPMs, miles per hour, how much percent of the engine you're using, temperature of the engine,
temperature.
Or temperature.
Battery voltage, turbo
pressure,
turbo pressure, everything, guys.
0 to 60 mile per hour timing. You could change the color of the LEDs. You could change the brightness. You could change at which RPM is going to redline it.
As you guys heard from this guy, you might think he's sponsored, but no, absolutely not. Sounds like he's being sponsored to say that.
I just know how to get to the bag.
He ain't getting paid shit for that. All right, guys, so this is the emblem. This is carbon in the back. Is it real carbon? Real carbon back here?
Only real carbon here. We don't do fake carbon except for that rear diffuser and the back bumper, the rear bumper, out of C blades. I don't know.
Whatever. So this is real carbon right here. This lights up in the back. Let's show them. Let's put it on the battery. All right, guys, we have it hooked up to the battery right now. Here's what it looks like.
RGB.
And you can control this on your phone, so it's not gonna be RGB the whole time.
This is going purple.
Purple.
I'm tracking purple. Purple.
Everything purple.
Blacked out car. Purple axles.
All right, so right now Daniel's about to attempt to take this off. So give me your phone. All right, guys, so you won't really be able to see it, and I don't know how to show you guys, but all right, so yeah, I won't be able to show you guys, but back there, just get these 2 bolts that are back there, and then this thing will pop out pretty easily. All right, guys, so once you take off the bolts, it won't come out like this, but back here, this clip right here, you guys are gonna have to pull it out this way, and then do the same thing on the other side, but that one you have to push out, and the emblems just pop right out, just like that. As you guys can see, now the emblem's off, and then you just take the other one. This is the old emblem. This is the new one. This is the new one, obviously. And then this. You'd have to route these wires.
You have to feed this wire.
Alright guys, so we ran into a little problem. We forgot about these wires, and we don't really have any spot to feed it through. Shit.
Oh no. Got a little dirty.
Alright, so we didn't have any spots to feed it through. We tried feeding it through one of these holes right here, but that won't work. And so right now, Daniel's just gonna make a hole using this. We don't have a drill kit right now. It's in my house. If we had that, it would be perfect. It's going pretty good, so. So, like I said, I just wanna make the hole so we can feed the wires through, and then that should be it. All right, so we're about to see right now if it fits in. All right, guys, so we got that part off. So now, just pull the wires, pick that out. We're about to wire it up right now, and we'll show you guys how everything goes once that. We're gonna try to wire it, guys, to the headlight. Right now, what we've done so far is we figured out where we're gonna wire this. To this side right here. See that little clutter of wires? And then you guys also have to ground it. You guys could obviously ground it anywhere. We're gonna ground it right here. All right, guys, so like we did earlier, you guys are gonna wanna take this off right here. This is a 12mm bolt. Take take this and form it into a little hook. It's hard to do with one hand, but form it into a little hook like this. Wrap it around there like that, as much as you can. And then while you're spinning the bolt, don't let the cable spin too much. And just tighten it down a little bit. May look a little janky right now, but once you guys get this top cover on over here, then it won't look as bad anymore. See what Daniel's doing? He just tapped it into the green wire. It's good. Alright, that's it.
Let me just test it out.
Alright guys, so right now it's pretty much fully done. Daniel's about to test it.
Don't.
It's not on. I'm not sure what's happening, but it didn't turn on. Oh yeah, now it's on. What do we do?
We installed that bitch. We installed that bitch.
All done. That was the tutorial, guys. I hope that helped. We are available for questions in the comments. Also, Q50 LED emblem is installed and it's RGB. You guys control this on your app. Also, the carbon fiber in there. We got this from Jalisco's Carbon Fiber on Instagram, and that's also where we got the wheel. But yeah, guys, that was it for this video, and we're gonna come up with some new videos in the future, either on this car or the TL. And so see you guys. Thanks guys for watching. ShqipeBoys out.